Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Student, our today's topic is true false and this is our revision class. Let us see today's topic. Our today's topic is true false and this is revision class, and today we will do from 6 number to 10 number true false, and this is lecture number 18. This is lecture number 18. So dear student, let us start today's class. Students, in our previous class, we have already done from 1 to 5 number true false. Today, we will do from 6 number to 10 number true false. We have already finished our all topics of annual term exam, and this is our revision class. We have to practice more, that's why we will do this again. Here is 6 number. We wear raincoat in rainy season. If this statement will be true, then we will write here only T, and if this statement will be false, then we will write only F here. So 6 number is we wear raincoat in rainy season. Yes, we wear raincoat in rainy season. That means this statement is true. Then you have to write T, that means true. And then 7 number, we make pottery from plastic. We make pottery from plastic? No, we make pottery from clay. So that means this statement is false. So we will write here false. And you have to write only F, that means false. And the next number, 8 number is a tailor plants flowers. No, a tailor plants flowers is not correct. A gardener plants flowers. That means this statement is also false. So you have to write only if, that means false. And now 9 number. 9 number, an artist paints with brush. Yes, we know an artist paints with brush. That means this statement is true. Then you have to write only T here. Now last one. This is 10 number. In your suggestion, there are 10 true and false. So this is the last number. A carpenter makes chairs and tables from wood. A carpenter, now we know that carpenter makes chairs and tables from wood. That means this statement is also true. So you need to write here T. Okay student, I have finished my today's topic. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Students, you have to practice more and more. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.